I said it's something in the way that you look at me. There is something that is off, not like it used to be. It was better, better, better. What you better, be in love with someone else like we used to be. I said it's something in the way.
Hello guys! So ngayon, ito kami sa Carmel Academy. So already, hello guys, so it's already 9:12 na in the evening. So galing kami ng alaw, kinuha namin yung earnest stick. Nagagamitin nila Ed for the earnest nila na PE class.
Manifesting flat uno.
Balikan natin ito pag flat uno ka na. So guys, natapos natin yan, yung subject na ito. Nagbumili lang kami ng burger tsaka ng tea. Sponsored by Adrian. Thanks. So guys,
Ay,
pahiga yan. Ha? Ika na no? So guys, ulit ako. Makita na ako magbayarad, ha?
tibay ng taong to.
Ang wish ko sa'yo, mag-aral kang mabuti, lagi kang magpakabait kay Papa at Mama, good health. Happy birthday ulit.
Alright, it's Monday, Thursday right now. So ngayon, mga oras na to is naglalakad kami. So
Wala kami mapuntahan.
Wala kami mapuntahan guys kasi wala mo magalaan dito sa atin. Ito fresh from Manila. Umuwi pa ang ating Frenny.
Holy Week kumada.
Si Caitlyn, hanapin nyo na lang kung saan siya guys.
Sisi kayo.
Hindi naman, like,
Sadyang lang talaga tayo magalaan dito sa atin.
kaya ako ngayon. What if tayo naman yung gagala sa kanya, no?
Yeah, pag
Pagkikaroon kami ng bahay.
Pag financially na tayo, stable. Paghandaan natin guys.
Pagkikaroon kami ng bahay doon.
Tara guys.
Upa.
Darating din yun.
Dapat nga ba, mag-ipon tayo, dapat per month, meron
What's your
tayo
plan
out of
ba?
town.
Ano?
Per month.
Bukas.
Out of town tayo ng
Sa
goal na.
So guys, nakabili na kami ng namin, ng snack for tonight. So abangan nyo guys kung ano yung maluluto namin.
daw ni Jess.
Hindi kasi namin guys maano eh.
Yung babae, parang dyan sa ba to?
Hindi ko din sure. Mabait si ate guys yung tendera kaya tagal namin na
Hindi
chika-chikahan.
ko talaga nakita ko na.
So abangan nyo guys kung ano yung lulutuin namin or yung snacks namin later. So isasama namin kayo. Uwi muna kami maglalakad. Yan guys.
Mag-haul ba
Anong ganap te?
fixing our life?
Meron kami mayonnaise, cheese whiz, and then ketchup, ice cream, and nachos. Then this one. Magawa kami nachos. Ito kami. We're here sa sa school namin dati. Our school.
I-upload ko naman yan, oh.
Ayun si Ma'am Nurse.
Hello!
Kasi niyo, ma'am.
Ito lang. Pero kasi iba talaga ang camera ng iPhone, no?
Maganda talaga ang iPhone, walang duda.
Kasi yung mga ganito pag Android, kaya natapatan ng nag-i-
Mike and his kite. Mike is 5 today. Dad gives Mike a kite for his birthday. Mom bakes Mike a cake. Mike likes the kite and the cake. Yan. Mike has a friend by the name of Spike. Spike has a red bike. Spike likes Mike's kite. Mike likes Spike's bike. Spike says, let's go for a ride on my bike. We can ride to the park. The lane to the park is wide. Okay, let's go, says Mike. It's a fine day. Mike and Spike have a fun. Ride to the park. Spot Mike's a pup runs after Mike's and Spike's. Spot runs after the bike. Spot is a nice pup. He has white or with black spot on his body. Spike parks his red bike near a lime tree. Race you to the park. Mike sees Mike runs, Spike runs, Spot runs after Mike and Spike. Mike flies his kite at the park. Up, 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 flies the kite. The kite flies up the sky. Can you see the kite? Up, up in the sky. See the kite sail up in the sky. The kite waves its tail for all to see. Mike says, this is fun. I am on the run. Run after the kite, Spike. Run after the kite, Spot. It will be fun for all. Let's get Mike. Spike says to Spot. Let's play hide and seek with Mike. Count to 10 and come after us. Spike says to Mike. Spike hides behind the lime tree. Spike hides behind a pile of leaves. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Mike hears the bees blues. Spike hears the bees blues too. A bee may be near. Mike looks up. Mike sees a beehive in the tree. The bees are near the beehive. Mike runs. Spike runs. Spot runs too. Mike, Spike, and Spot run from the park. Can meet a Wabi Tower. He can meet a Caution Mountain. And a tent. He can make bubbles. He can make a boat. He can make a train. And he can make a mess. What can you make? Wobbly pig likes to make many things. Bubbles, a tent, a bat, a booze, but the loves to make a mess. Wibbly pig can make a tent. Michael in a tent.
See yan. See?
Ayun na.